Hello mga kabayans, it's Friday, September 16, and yeah, nasa gala na naman tayo. Tinitsura ng sasakyan, full pack oh. Magtatanan kami. Ayan na yung tatanan ko. Hindi, actually magka-camping kami kasi there's an event going on. It started yesterday dun sa Monro. It's what we call Cheese Day. Kaya mag-overnight kami doon at our friend's place, kina Jackie. Siyempre magka-camp out kami doon. And siyempre, not only mag-ano kami sa Cheese Day, we wanted to enjoy our weekend also. Kaya kami ay magdadrive muna papunta doon. But before that, pipick upin muna namin yung isa pa namin kasama, which is si JC, yung apo ko. So magkita-kita lang tayo doon, and then yeah, mag-set up na rin kami ng tent kasi ngayon it's already like 4:10 na ng hapon. Maya-maya lang, madilim na, mahirap na mag-ano ng tent. Yeah, so yeah, let's go.
Anak ko vlog.
Aha.
May vlog na rin ako.
Ayan na yung susunduin namin.
Subscribe niyo ako.
Ha?
Subscribe niyo ako.
Ayan yung susunduin namin.
Bye.
Did you take a shower already?
Not yet.
Alright, go. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. So, lalarga na kami. At malayo-layo pa yung i-drive namin eh.
We'll be back Sunday.
Sa road ni na papunta kina Maring Jackie. Yeah. Masyadong masukal dito eh. Pero maganda dito. Yeah. So, akit tayo. Mas maganda itong lilikuan natin. Parang nasa roller coaster. Ito na. See? Barnyard. Ito na, yung bangin. Here we go. Yeah. Nasa mga kamay. Yan.
Pwede kaming mag-go ahead, magtayo habang may araw pa? Ikaw, magtatayo ka ba? Sige.
Ito na yung spot namin. Nakatayo na ang tent natin. Yung camera guy ko kanina medyo palpak kasi na ang attention nandun sa dalawang aso. Ayan na, may tao na sa loob oh. Yeah, maluwag yan sa loob. Pang 10 katao tong tent namin ito. And this will be our home for 2 days and 2 nights. I love this tent. So kami tatapusin lang muna namin to, and then kami maghahaponan, tapos mag-ano tayo to bonfire. Yan, dami nating woods oh. Ayan. Yeah, sige, akit muna tayo. Gutom na eh. Yeah. Yeah, there's the dogs again. Come here. Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
And baby.
There's Bebe. Come here, Bebe. Ito yung silosa, oh. Come on, Maya.
Did you want today?
There's Bebe. Come on, Bebe.
Hello. How are you? JC is already with.
Ayan, nag-umpisa na tayong mag-bonfire. Di pa masyado maano yung apoy, oh. But, ayan, oh. At least it's already warm. Yeah, sobrang dilim. Di mo makita yung dalawa doon, oh. Ayan, oh.
Mga ano, negrita na.
Kumakaway yan. Sobrang dilim. Ito. Ayan, para makita nyo, oh. Ito, ayan, oh, kaway.
No.
Ayun pa yung isa, oh.
Masisira ang beauty. Sira na ang beauty.
Malalim ng gabi, umpisa ng tagay. Good morning. That was a good ano ba yun, pag-inuman namin last night. Medyo may hangover pa eh. So pasensya na kung medyo mukhang rough ako ngayon. So today it's Saturday and we're gonna go sa cheese day, pero mamaya pang hapon yun. As of now, mag-ano lang muna kami, magluluto-luto muna para sa kainan mamayang tanghali, and then sa hapon siguro mga 5 or 6 then pupunta na kami sa sa square. So right now, mag-ano muna kami, magluto. Mga kabayan, tanghaling tapat na. Mabuti at nawala yung pagiging makulimlim at muntik ng ulan kanina. Mabuti yung araw, pero mahangin pa rin. Kaya eto tayo ngayon, nagluto tayo ngayon ng tinola. Ayan, mabuti meron akong pangharang. Naalis pa rin yung sukit na. Ayan na pa yung tinola natin. Ito pa yung ibang gulay. Tapos mamaya magano tayo, fried chicken. So isa sa mga natin panghanda sa event for today. Yeah. Huwag naman sana umulan, no? Ayos, tapos din tayo magluto. Siyempre, kainan na. Ito na ibang mga bisita.
Almost.
Ayan na, oh.
Di, paliw ko ni TV.
Okay.
Ay.
Ayan, plato ni Waray, oh. Ayan, sili rin. Nako, baka maano naman tayo nito. May music background. Kain na muna tayo.
Hala, tara.
Yeah. Tapos na kami kumain, so andito kami sa downtown. We're gonna go for the cheese day. Yeah. Lakad-lakad na muna kami doon.
Not being your dad or anything, pay attention to this. Once it starts getting crowded, some of them are drinking and they're not paying attention to who's around them. You don't want them to bang into your car.
Send me your jacket.
Save your.
Everybody stand next to Steve.
Yeah, now we're entering the square kung saan ginaganap yung ano ngayon, cheese day. I'm surprised walang masyadong tao dito sa Bukana. Yeah, it's been a while since the last time we were here. Yeah.
Scaffolding on the clock tower for the courthouse.
Yeah, you can hear the music now. Yes, I am. Woo. There's that smell again. It's following us. There's the stage. Look how much people we got here. It's crowded tonight. Yeah, we're now in line to get some T-skirt tickets. Line is short right now because it's kind of having a little drizzle. Those look really good. There you go. Now we got our tickets for T-skirts and for 2 bottles of water. One row cheese curds. Yeah. We lost them again. Yeah, so tapos namin So tapos namin kumain, lakad-lakad muna dahil mga busog. And then ikutin lang namin tong square and we're gonna go sa mga rides. Boy, it's really crowded tonight. been a while talaga nung the last time na nagkaroon sila dito, Cheese Day celebrations.
We're gonna wait for everybody.
Natapos din ng gabi. So, uwian na. At pagdating namin sa campsite, mag-iinuman naman kami ngayon. So, good night. God bless. And thanks for watching. Till next upload.